Only when they collect for ransom. In this vehicle, they recover AK47 and also money collected from ransom by all the kidnappers in this land. The eyewitness have earlier explained what happened, but I will mention it. This is the vehicle.
Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Now, we are still on the issue in Edo State about some persons that were carrying guns. They claim that they are coming from Port Harcourt to going to Kanu, Now, I am not around. I'm supposed to be in Uromi because that is what I usually do. Go by myself, collect information from people, from witnesses who are there. But I have to send a friend who went there yesterday. And the feedback he gave me since yesterday, I've been pondering on it. Should I use it to make video? But this morning, someone also sent me a video that matched the same thing my friend that I sent there told me. So it is becoming more clearer that there is a purpose why Uromi youths took the action they took. The action might be condemnable by a lot of people. Like I said before, I am not in support of any crime. I'm not in support of any mob action, okay? But this is what my friend told me, and you are going to watch the video of the witness again who were there when the thing was happening. Because the police that came later, they were not there when the thing was happening. This issue is complicated. Now listen to me. They told me that the people, they took their life, that the reason why they took that action was that they were carrying hunter's gun, all those shoot and run. They were carrying 2 AK-47. AK-47 is not for anybody, okay? And there were a lot of money. And they claimed that the money was for ransom. That is what the youth claimed, that this money is for ransom. And they were driving Dangote truck. So that was what led to the youth taking action. The AK-47 and the money they claimed it was for ransom. But the information they gave me was that they looted the AK-47 immediately. The gun you are seeing on the ground was the shoot and run that they left there. But the AK-47 was looted by people. You know how AK-47 is expensive. So these are the things you are not seeing on the media. Now, take a listen at this video first. Just listen.
Now run the run from that Kurmin Junction. Now get the run. Just now get the catch them. They don't run go escape reach here.
They see go for their hand.
You know they say they see. You know okay. You know they defend. They see. What they say they see. As in the cloth, the bag where they put for the trailer. They say put cloth. Get the one down. If you see that, you see the banker. Yes. Then the phone they under the down coat, then the up, they just carry something cover it, then the under, the down con. Come.
Okay. Only when they collect for ransom. In this vehicle, they recover AK-47 and also money collected from ransom by all the kidnappers in this land. The eyewitness have earlier explained what happened, but I will mention it. This is the very good. This is life in Uromi. They load this vehicle with gold and also with money collected from ransom from people in this land. You can see everything. All these things you are seeing now are one of money now they tell them. Look at it.
There is no doubt that Nigeria lack intelligence. Nigeria lacks the ability to investigate. Nigeria lack the ability to detect crime and so on and so forth. So immediately the police will say that these people are hunters, blah, 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 blah. Everybody will just believe. Because if Nigeria has what it takes, all these things will not be happening. Okay, anybody who is hoping on this country is just hoping on a windwolf chaff, just like a breeze blowing leaves. You are just hoping on it that maybe it could stand and become a rock. It can never. So the issue here is complicated, and I don't play with the issue of insecurity. I don't play with the issue of life. That is why it is important people should do investigation to understand what really happened. Do you think that if Edo State youth, the Uromi youth, just see people with shoot and run, they will burn them? Come and think of it. If they see people will shoot and run, they will burn them. If they do that, it could be termed as barbaric. But they said these people were with 2 AK47. Now the problem here is that why do they loot it? I am blaming the youth. Those people who did that, why do you know the AK47? That's supposed to be your weakness, because AK47 is powerful. People needed it in the face of war, because Nigeria is at war, okay? People needed the AK47. That was why they took the AK47 first. So what are we talking about? Now, the president spoke, everybody's now talking. Now look at this girl in the screen. Her name is Deborah. May her soul rest and continue to rest in peace. Anytime I remember this girl, anytime I think about this girl, anytime I flash back to what transpired in 2023, my heart will be filled with a burden of, I don't have power to fight for this girl. I don't have power to fight for the family. I don't have power. That is why man is not God. Because if man comes to the position of God, everybody will perish. Everybody will perish. See, everybody, they burn this guy alive. The person that burned this guy shows the matches. The person was showing the matches, proving that yes, I did it. Brethren, up to today, the person has not been arrested. The person has not been arrested. I am accusing Tinubu of supporting terrorism. I am accusing Tinubu of supporting terrorism. He is always keeping quiet when Fulani terrorists are striking. But anything that has to do with the death of the same people, everywhere will be alarming. The Uromi people have been kidnapping them. They have been robbing their banks. They have been killing them. Nobody is talking. And they said they can't tolerate people carrying AK-47, hunter's gun, and money for ransom in their community. They can't tolerate it. That was what happened. Do proper investigation of things, Nigerian police. I know you people lack the ability to do that, okay? You people lack the ability to do that, but also try your best to do it. Don't be influenced by things that doesn't matter, because the precedents you people are setting with the way things are going, because we can't fold our hands and allow people to continue to kill us. This thing will end like a war. There is a tendency that civil war is coming. And it's not going to be like what you have been seeing. We're already at war, I know. But it is going to be a revolutionary war. Yes, it's going to be a revolutionary war. Because as I speak to you, even yesterday, the number of cases of kidnapping and killing by Fulani terrorists in Delta State is up to 6. You can't see it in the news. People are fed up. And it is a warning to everyone. We are at war already. Don't dare to carry gun, even though it's ordinary pistol, AK-47, or shoot and run. You said you are passing from one village to the other. They don't know you. You are gone. Because nobody is tolerating the death of their parents, the death of their youth. Nobody is tolerating it. And we are not ready to tolerate anything. Don't import or export insecurity anywhere. Day or day, everybody should stay in your place, stay in your state. If you want to travel with yourself. Don't carry guns, don't carry weapons. If I see even dagger, don't carry dagger to travel. Don't carry anything to travel. We're already at war. Nigeria is already at war. Our soldiers, they are soldiers, not my soldiers, okay? Because the way the government are treating the soldiers, they treat them like people who are helpless. They can't pay them, they can't do everything, but they are still putting Boko Haram inside them. They say they are repentant Boko Haram. Soldiers are complaining of healthcare, they are complaining of everything. If that soldier is supposed to be our soldiers, they will not be suffering. It is their soldiers. Politicians pocket them, be useless in them. The soldiers are crying every day. They are being beheaded every day. Soldiers are being beheaded. Civilians are being killed every day by day. Nobody is talking. Tinubu did not talk. Last 6 days, 3 soldiers from the Southerners were beheaded in in Edo State, where Tinubu's son went to do, campaign and saga for his dad. And up till now, nobody talks about it. This is a serious thing. And in the face of evil, there must be voices who will always come out to talk the reality out of issues. Nigeria is living in falsehood. We are totally living in falsehood. Nobody tells the truth. The truth is to the highest bidder. Who can give more money? Who can control more power? That determines the truth in Nigeria. Nigeria has nothing to do with the truth. Nigeria enslaves the people. Nigeria can't save you. Let me tell you the truth. What is happening now is barbaric and is being supported by the government. There is no doubt about that.